Hello, how to make a watch list for swing trading. We are going to use upward large cap stocks. We are going to use maximum monthly chart and compare the current price to the previous highs from previous years. And if the price level is lower than any previous year high, we will now add that stocks to our watch list. So we are going to start with our watch list, our existing watch list, to see are there stocks that we want to continue swing trading next year, and add them to our first version of them. We created a video earlier and we ended there. We are going to continue from there. So let's put our we use Thinkorswim for analyzing our chart. We are going to go to maximum monthly chart here, and we are going to continue with ORLY. So ORLY, the price is there. This line, dotted line, is 2024. Therefore, the price is higher than any previous highs. Pretty much when I say previous highs, the clear tip that you can see for the mountain along the chart, those are the previous highs that are clear to you, just like the way you can see the previous lows as well. And of course, we have arrows of our swing trades blocking our view here, but we do know that there is some price bar there. Those are monthly price bar. On a monthly chart, every single bar is a monthly price bar. So yeah, it is higher. Therefore, we are going to copy that row to the next year watch list. So by creating a watch list for the new year, if you have an existing watch list that you like some stock from, you can keep those stocks and see the one that you do not want to continue trading, take those out and see if you want to add more to your list to create a new list for the new year. Just have a good number that you'll be able to analyze daily and find something to trade often. So here is the price here, and it is higher than any previous year, but we did have a high point in 2024 that is below. So, but it is higher than any previous highs. So we are going to copy that to the next for now. The next one is PH. PH, current high, every single dotted line is a year. Is it? Yeah, it's a year because we are using maximum monthly. So it's easy for us to just compare the last bracket here, dotted line, and the edge of the Y line is 2024. So we are just looking at pinpointing the obvious highs that we can see without zooming, and then compare where the price that is shaded here, that is the level of the price, is compared to them, is higher than the previous year. So we will copy it and we will add it to next year. The next one is REGN. REGN. So REGN, the price is right there. If I put my mouse here, you can see the horizontal, the axis line tracing. You can see that the price is below multiple previous years highs. Do you see it? Is even below, I don't know what year is this one, 2022. So it's below 2022, 2023, and quite below 2024 high as well. and of course it's still an uptrend, pretty much going to a lower trend line here, but it is still uptrending, but just tells you that those stocks fluctuate quite a bit, that when they fall back down they can be below previous highs. It does not make them bad, it just, I'm trying to see, it's not in this trend line because I traced this one. When I put my mouse there, is highlighting it, is there. So from one of my kids like to trace it from the end, and I say no, don't trace it from the end, but I think tracing it from the end could just be a good strategy as well if it's not clear enough which low you should start with. If I started from that, it's going to cross this one, but yeah, anyway, it's not going to make a car. It's below multiple. Now it does not make it bad, it just make it one that we do not want to continue trading, because it can swing quite a bit. It can go high and then fall back down to the trend line, but because it went high, very high, can make the downtrend deeper. Does that make sense? They are all related. The higher the mountain, the deeper the valley will be, and I think that's what's happening here. It went very high, now that it's falling back to which one I'm not sure, is making that drop quite steep. Anyway, so it's not going to make the car. Rope is not going to make the car either. RPM, and we can try rope. There's something about it during the year that I didn't care for, and when I put my mouse where the price is below some highs in 2023 here, but it is an uptrend chart, just not one that I'm interested in. And I don't know what the next one is. RPM. RPM, that is the price, is above, let me just put it, it is about previous highs, so we will keep it. I pass this first. A lot of them are passing our choice, our first filtration here. RSG. Okay, RSG is somewhere here, higher than previous year high, so it's a keeper. It does have a clean trend line too. The next one is SNPS. You can actually copy and paste those symbols as well. In fact, you can even have a list of them somewhere here. I just don't use that tool, but you can actually enter them in the platform and just scroll and click if you want to, but I don't. So this one is below some highs in 2023, so it is a no-no. Still up trending, just not one we want to keep. SYK, don't even know what sector we pulled them from. We do have it on the portfolio, on the watch list. So this, let's see what the price is right now, is about previous year high. It came close to, yeah, is about previous year highs. That high there is 2024. Okay, so we'll keep it. They are passing that monthly chart filter quite a bit. TJX, only few didn't pass it. In fact, what we could have done though is just duplicate that list and delete the one that didn't pass it. That would be way easier than what we are doing. Okay, so let's do this one. So this one, this is the price somewhere here, is about previous year high, so we will keep it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the remaining, not a lot, but let's copy them and paste. And TJS is a keeper, so the one that is not a keeper, we just delete it. It's simpler that way. We could just have duplicate this list and just delete what we don't want in it. That would have been a shorter version for us, a shorter route. TMUS. So TMUS is higher than any previous high, so it is a keeper. The next one is TRI. And the reason why it's good to duplicate and do that is because we are finding more to keep than we are finding to delete. So just better to duplicate the list, and when you come across one that you are not going to have in the list, you just cross it out. So the price is here. That is 2024 is above any previous year highs. Okay, how is to keep? The next one is URI. So URI, ooh, look at that, it's floating. Okay, URI, 2024, it's still in 2024, is above prior year highs, so we will keep it. Okay, V is where it is right now, is above prior year highs, so we will keep it. VRTX, the price 2024, the price is above prior year highs, we will keep it. WAB, WAB is above prior year highs, we will keep it. WM is above prior year highs, we will keep it. WMT, WMT. So WMT Walmart is about prior year high, so we will keep it. Look at the way we treat it, all those arrows, when we bought it and when we sold it. So WSO is above prior year highs, so we will keep it. So that is pretty much the first filtration using maximum monthly chart and making sure the price is higher than previous year highs, and we only find few that didn't meet that requirement and eliminated them. And we have, from our watch list, we still have this here. So we are going to move to the next step with this list. In the next video. Thank you. For more of our swing trading videos, will you please check our playlist Swing Trading in the description. It will be at the end of the video on the screen as well. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments. We thank you very much all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and in asoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money. Different ways to make money where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And one way to make money is swing trading. So those are the swing trading strategy we are using, and is based on that we are trying to find a list of stocks we will be trading moving forward. Thank you.